guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are doing my August fave products, and yeah, there's quite a few things to go through. We've got hair care, skincare, makeup, and some books as well to go through. So I'm excited for you guys to see what they are. So if you haven't already, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, welcome guys. We are now in September and I am uploading every Monday, Wednesday and Fridays going forward into the foreseeable future. So let's get into this video now. Okay, so let's start off with, what should we start off with? Let's start off with some makeup. So my loves this month, well, for August, have to be and I've got videos on all of these products, so if you want to go and check out the beauty hauls that I've done with these, and I will leave all the details and the cards and that above so you guys can go and check them out. So we have the Super Dewy Skin Tint Tinted Moisturizer from Revolution. I absolutely love this. It is my new fave. I usually go for the IT Cosmetics, which is what I still love that, but this one is absolutely gorgeous as well. It's so soft and it's just smooths and glides on and just makes your skin look absolutely flawless. So definitely my new fave for this month. Then we have the iconic Illuminator drops in gold. Oh my god, when I had these I was like, I'm not really a gold person, but when I put them on, the glow was absolutely amazing. So that is definitely one of my faves. Then we have the Lash Lift Mascara from Rodial. Oh wow, I absolutely love this mascara. Lash Lift Mascara, it definitely does that. And my fave at the minute is Spectrum's Dark Matter and this. They are like on par with each other. I absolutely love that. Sorry about the neighbours, baby crying. Okay. Then my next one is the Rodial Smoky Pencil Eye Pen. Oh my god, it literally glides on, and I haven't found an eyeliner like that since the Unique one. So that is like my new favourite at the minute. Like literally that stays on and it's nice and black, because I've got quite a watery waterline. That makes sense. So when I put it on, it kind of like washes away, but this, it sticks on, which is really, really good. Then we've got the Instant Glow Prime for a warm and flawless glow from Rodial. Now this you can wear on its own. So I'm kind of like looking forward to when I'm going on the school runs just to wear this on its own, or you can wear it underneath your foundation, which I've got it under the CC cream at the minute, and it's absolutely stunning. Then we have the Bronze Glow Drops from Rodial. You're probably thinking, oh my god, so I have got a haul from a Rodial haul, so I'll leave that above so you guys can go and check that out, where I did a bit of shopping from the website. These are the Bronze Glow Drops. Now you can wear these on their own or on top of makeup, and then you can just do it so that it looks like you've got a face full of makeup, which is absolutely amazing. They're bronze illuminating drops and they are just gorgeous. Just look at that, how stunning are they? Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I just fell in love with them when I saw them. Then we have, I really like this is the Flamingo. It's Revolution and it's all the flamingo tin. You can see that. And this is the blusher. I'm absolutely loving this blusher. It's so natural and it just gives you that nice pop of colour and just that nice glow that you need and brightness on your face. So that is definitely a favourite of mine this month. And then we've got the Forever Flawless palette, which is the flamingo one as well. Oh my god, the colours, they literally glide on. There's not much fallout and it's just a really nice palette. There's the shades again. You've got a bit of everything, so you can make so many different colours up, and the pinks are just gorgeous. So that is another favourite of mine this month. Okay, so that's the makeup. Oh no, we haven't. We've got this as well. So this is from Soul Body. Oh my god, I have had my eye on this for such a long time. Let me see if I can open it. It's just really hard to open. So here it is. It is a body shimmer powder, but you can use it as a highlighter. You know, no one's gonna judge. Oh wow, just like literally just dab it on. Stunning. So that's another favourite of mine. I absolutely love the packaging and I was so excited when this turned up. So yeah, that's another fave of mine this month. Right, let's move on to body care, and you all know, and it still is another favourite of mine, and it is the Bum Bum Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I mean, I bought this beginning of August and it's like 240ml cream. Oh, just absolutely love it. And it's nearly all gone. I religiously apply this and showering twice a day as well, and then applying this. Absolutely love it, my fave. But when it runs out, I'm going to try out the this new one that I bought from Rodial, which she only brings out in the summer, so I bought 2 tubs of that because it was in the sale. I'll try that out, so that will be hopefully in my September phase, so keep an eye on that one. But for now, oh, this will always be my favourite, and I just absolutely love it. So yeah, that's that. Then we have, obviously, guys, I finally found the Sanctuary Spa Super Rich Wet Skin Moisture Miracle. You know how much I love this. I found it in Sainsbury's a couple of weeks ago, and I was like, yes, finally got it. And there's days where if I don't put that on, and I'm trying to save that now so I don't have to waste it too much. This, because you put it on wet skin, I absolutely love it, and it leaves your skin so soft, and it's got a really nice smell to it as well. And then the next thing is the Vitamin C Glow Body Scrub. Oh my god, this leaves your skin, and it smells of oranges, obviously. Absolutely gorgeous, and I use this 2 to 3 times a week. In fact, I've actually been using it twice a week because my skin is quite soft exfoliated, so I only use this twice a week, and then I use my everyday skincare. And I bought this body cleanser for this as well, and I use that, which is really nice too on the days that I'm not using the scrub. Okay, and then another moisturizer body cream that was really nice, and I think this came in one of the subscription boxes, and it smells absolutely delicious. It is a rose and lemon enriched body cream, and it's from Monu Spa. Like, I think I used that within a week. Oh my god, it smells gorgeous. And you know me with rose. Rose is my favourite scent. And with lemon, oh my god, that's a different ball game. So that's what that looks like, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I really enjoyed using that. It left my skin really nice and soft. Then we're going to move on to a bit of skincare. There's only two little products at the minute because you've seen everything else. But these came free with my Rodial order, and they're called Snakeskin Oil Drops, and they're vitamin B5. And oh my god, I have been putting them on, and I've had like loads of breakout, and I think I figured out what it is. It's from the bloody face mask. That's what it was. I was like, I'm not due on my period. Why am I getting all these little like boils? It was from the face mask because I had to wear it 3 days on the trot, and I came out with a big couple of spots here, and this actually helped get rid of them, and my skin just feels absolutely amazing. And then another product of theirs is the Pink Diamond Lip and Eye Filler. Now this literally has left my lips really nice and soft, and then you can just apply it under your eyes as well. And oh my god, I woke up a couple of days ago, no, not a couple of days ago, last week sometime, and I was like, why are my eyes so bright? And it's from this. I really liked it. So it said lift and illuminate, and I was like, why am I just feel like there was just all white there, and I was like, wow. I looked so awake, and it was because of this. So there are the 2 products skincare wise that I've really enjoyed this month. And then another product which I absolutely love is from Spectrum, and they did a little sale where they sold off this collection, and basically there's like imperfections on them, so they sold them quite cheap. And oh my god, I managed to get my hands on it because, you know, and just look at the packaging, and the brushes are in such mint condition. So there might have been something wrong with it, or the colour could have been wrong, and then they just become default brushes, and they sold them off, and I got myself a bag, and I am so super grateful. So when I move into my house, these are going to go onto show. I'm going to have an amazing background and all sorts. It's all going to be changing, so hopefully by October it should all be new and everything like that. So September is going to be a crazy month. I'm really looking forward to all the changes, and I hope you guys are too. That's if you're subscribed. If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, next up we're going into hair care. Now you've seen me go on about these. These shampoos are absolutely amazing, and it's from the Naughty brand, 97% natural, and it's for the curly wavy hair. My hair has absolutely loved it. And another thing is the scalp soothing tonic lotion. It has done wonders for my scalp, and honestly, my curls are loving it, my hair. And I'll leave the video where I leave my hair care routine and share you guys as well. And another product hair care wise has to be, yes, the Beauty Works times Molly May collab, the Waver Kit. This, I'll leave that link as well, where I have do my hair, and it's all an amazing mermaid wave. Absolutely loved it, and I did it in that massive heat wave that we had as well. Loved it, and I can't wait to be using this again soon. Okay, so these next few products are books that I've got my hands on. There's one book, there's a couple of books I've had already, and some that arrived in end of July, August, and they are amazing. So first up, we've got the Maria Haji Stefani's founder of Rodial, and she's got 2 books out, and this is How to Make It Happen, Turning Failure into Success, and this is her book number 2. I've got book number 1, and oh my god, it's absolutely amazing. There's a lot of, like, if you want to start your own brand, how to, you know, get up in the morning, how to be productive in your day. Honestly, it's such a good book, and I highly recommend it to everybody. And then another one which I got, which you'll be able to see in my Amazon haul, is Dear Universe, and there's some mini meditations, and in here there's a meditation for everything, anything and everything. So if it's for you feeling humiliated, overworked, you're pained, you're grieving, suspicious, tense, useless, used, you name it, there's something in there for you to do and just take your mind off it. And I absolutely love this book. It has helped me out quite a lot. Next up is the Carolina Hirons skincare. Now, I don't agree with a lot of what this woman says, you know, with her freedom of speech, but she knows what she's talking about when it comes to skincare. So I absolutely love this book. There's so much information, and there's loads of like double cleansing, how to use vitamin D, how to use hyaluronic acid, how to use salic acid, you name it. She tells you exactly what to do and different things that are true and false when it comes to skincare and what you should and should be doing. This is an amazing book. Yeah, I'm really enjoying that. Then the last book is this face chart book. Wow, what a book. And this is Drawing with Makeup, and it's from Lisa Kondrovich. And this came, it was on order for a while, and it came, and oh my god, what a book. It's absolutely stunning. So I've got a lovely little message from her there, and it's just amazing. So here it is. Just look at this book. It's all about different things to do with makeup and how to create different looks, and it's all the NYX cosmetics as well. So yeah, it's a really heavy book. Came in the post, honestly. When it came, I was like, what the hell? I forgot that I'd ordered it. So Lisa is a fine artist, artistry trainer, an exceptional makeup artist, an authority in the field of face charting. She works for major brands on a global scale, being the designer of the series of revolutionary NYX professional makeup face chart templates makes her the chosen person to write one of the kind book like this. And you get some free, you get 2.5 free video courses included, full light masterclass. So you get some free face sheets so you can start designing your own and practicing with makeup and that. So this is another way for me to practice my skills, and yeah. So yeah, I've got that, and I just can't wait to create my own little library of books and all sorts in my new house. So yeah, that's it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my favourites for August. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you stayed this far and checked out what my products are. Let me know what your favourite product has been this month. What is it you've been loving so far, whether it be makeup, skincare, clothes, shoes, whatever it is. Let me know down below, and I will, you know, I'm happy to hear everything, and I can't wait to hear whatever you guys have got to share. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.